how to zoom in and out on CapCut. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open CapCut on your phone. Then you want to tap on Add New Project. Select any of the video that you want to edit. Then you want to tap on Add, that is on the bottom right corner. Now slide the video and put this mark to where you want to zoom in. You need to select the video first, then tap on the diamond-like option right there, and you can see a diamond appearing there. Slide a little bit more and add another diamond there. You can add other diamond as you prefer. Now put the mark in the first diamond, and now you can proceed to zoom the video. Place the mark to another diamond, and now you can zoom out or zoom in even more. You can also add another diamonds and do the similar thing to them also. So now as you can see from the very beginning, the video is zoomed in and zoomed out automatically by the CapCut. And that is how you can zoom in and out on CapCut. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.